Everybody, this is Tarun Tiwari and welcome to the live again. In this live, we will discuss reproductive health and biotechnology principles and process. Biotechnology principles and process we discussed already in the week number one, but we'll see in this week also. Few students they requested to shoot the video again in the questions which they made mistake and they have some doubts in that. So we will discuss that also. And first we'll start with reproductive health. Because of lack of time in the last session we couldn't complete the reproductive health, so we'll start here and then we will continue with the biotechnology few questions. Chalo. So let's get started with the biotechnology principles and process. No, sorry, reproductive health. ठीक है, fine. This is your question paper, and in this reproductive health, not every question is like difficult or the questions which you made mistakes. We have very limited number. ठीक है, we'll discuss that first. Okay, we started little late, so we'll try to finish ASAP. चलो. Here, this is like question number one, and this question number one is direct NCRT line, so no need to worry about this question. But in this question number two, when see this question number two, in the menstrual cycle of a fertile woman, which period is called the risky period of conception? In a menstrual cycle, which period is risky? Risky in the sense, in the period where the the pregnancy is 100% sure. So that will be your 10 to 17th day. This is the NCRT line which we can say. This is the very risky period. In this 10 to 17th day we should avoid conception. Okay. Then the next question will be your select the statement which is not correct about coitus interrupts. So coitus interrupts, because these are very important. These methods of contraceptions, very important. Then the drugs, all these questions. So we will discuss those questions here. Take MTP questions are important. Then the last page what you have in the reproductive health chapter, that is extremely important. So we'll discuss those very selective important questions, okay, which you made mistake also, and it's important also. So select the statement which is not correct about coitus interrupts. Coitus interrupts means avoiding will remove penis withdrawal. So penis will withdraw the penis before ejaculation. That is also known as penis withdrawal method. So in this method, what we do in this method, it's a natural method of conception, correct? It is a pull-out method, correct? It protects the user from STD and AIDS. No. STD and AIDS, it will not be avoided by pull-out method. Why? Because we are not using condom here. And that's the problem. So that will not give protection. So this is wrong. So because this is wrong and they are asking only the wrong option, this option will be the correct answer. Alright. So next, which one is correct about lactational amenorrhea? Lactational amenorrhea. So which one is correct about lactational amenorrhea? What is lactational amenorrhea? So what is lactational amenorrhea? We need to see. Okay, before that. Which one of the chalo. So Fine. So the second question what we have here, the second question we have here is your which one is correct about lactational amenorrhea? Which one is correct about lactational amenorrhea? And that is more effective with no side effects. Lactational amenorrhea means the time period. Take a lactational amenorrhea means the time period where your lactational amenorrhea, the time period where you are like lactating. Lactating means what? Releasing of milk release. So during that lactational amenorrhea, more effective with no side effects, there is mean no menstruation takes place during that period. So more effective with no side effects, less effective with no side effects, more effective with higher side effects, less effective with higher side effects, because it is a natural method. So it is not they don't come under the side effect giving process. So it will not give any side effects. Okay, it will not give any side effects, but yes, because it will not give any side effects, so they are more effective. We cannot say that they are more effective, but yes, if we are very careful about the time period, then obviously it will be effective here. So we can go with more effective with no side effects. Okay, that will be the correct answer here. So what is the correct answer here? The correct answer is more effective with no side effects, this one. Okay. Now, which one of the following is not a traditional or natural method of contraceptive method? Natural method. There is no natural method. This one is not a natural method, which means spermicidal creams, periodic abstinence, coitus interruption, lactation method in amenorrhea. So here natural method are only three. What is that? Number one is coitus interrupts, natural method. Lactation amenorrhea, natural method. And then periodic abstinence, this is a natural method, which means avoiding conception between 10 to 17 days, that is a risky time zone. So this is natural method. Apart from that, all other methods are not natural method. We use something to prevent menstruation. What is that? Number one is spermicidal creams. So spermicidal creams, they kill the sperm, or they will reduce the motility. Mostly they will kill the sperm. So because of that, that is not a natural method here. We are killing it. Now, of the following, which one is odd one? Odd one out we have to choose here. Copper T, multi-load 375, copper 7, LNG 20. So copper T, they are copper releasing IOD, then copper 7, they are what? Copper releasing IOD, then we have multi-load 375. But LNG 20 is a hormone releasing IOD. LNG 20 is a hormone releasing IOD, so this will be the correct answer here. Alright, okay. Which one is not true statement about IUDs? Which one is not true statement about IUDs? They increase phagocytosis of sperm. Phagocytosis, IUD, they do. So this is correct. They are ideal contraceptive to delay pregnancy or space children. Yeah, correct. But sometimes it is not. Why? Because it is not user friendly. We have to go to the hospital for hospitalization. But yes, fine. That is also we can say. The copper releasing IODs suppress motility and fertilizing capacity of sperm. Yes, this is correct. These are inserted by doctors or expert nurses in the uterus through incision of abdomen. Wrong. So they do not do any incision. So this will be the incorrect answer. Incorrect statement. Sorry, incorrect statement. So they do not do incision. They will insert the material, that is the copper T or the IUD, through vagina, cervix, and they will implant it in the uterus. Okay, they will not do any kind of incision here. This is a non-invasive method. Only invasive method what we have. Okay, only invasive method. So when we talk about invasive method, the only invasive method what we have here is what? Surgical method. Come on. Surgical method is the only invasive method. Other than that, all other methods are non-invasive methods. Right? Chalo. Fine. So we'll go with the next question. The next question. Okay, let me do one modification here. Okay, fine. Chalo. So next question is, what is next question? The next question is very simple. Oral contraceptive pills are made up of. Oral contraceptive pills are made up of estrogen and progesterone. Progesterone, testosterone is wrong. Estrogen, SEG is wrong. Estrogen, testosterone wrong. Testosterone, no, they do not made up of. They are not made up of testosterone. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So we will eliminate these two options. Estrogen, progesterone, beta HCG, no, HCG will not be present. So this will be the correct answer. Eighth one. Then, okay, how many questions we have in this PDF? We have 31 questions, so we need to finish it fast. Oral contraceptives are prescribed for females because oral contraceptives are prescribed to females because they prevent passage of sperm via cervix, they prevent ovulation, they prevent implantation. All of these oral contraceptives are prescribed for females because they prevent passage of sperms via cervix, they prevent ovulation, they prevent implantation. So estrogen, progesterone, they prevent passage, they prevent ovulation, they prevent implantation, they prevent implantation, or even they prevent passage of sperms via cervix. All of these can be the correct answer, but mainly they do they prevent ovulation and implantation. So more than one option is correct here, so we'll go with all of these. Now, which is not correct about Saheli? Ormeloxifene and centchroman. Centchroman is very common, very familiar, but this is a little new to this area. I'm having very much difficulty in pronouncing such type of names. Anyways, there is no need of oral test here. Sana, we don't have any oral examination in the NEET. That's why we don't want to worry about that. Which one is not correct about Saheli? It contains a steroidal or hormonal preparation. Steroidal drug is not correct. It is not hormonal or steroidal. It's a non-steroidal drug. Saheli is a non-steroidal drug. Non-steroidal drug. So this is correct. This is the correct answer. It's a once in a week pill. Correct. This is a once in a week pill. Then it has very few side effects. Yes, correct. And this is also correct. So A will be the correct answer. Fine. Progestogen estrogen combinations are used in oral contraceptives and injectables and barriers and oral contraceptives and lips loop. Progestogen estrogen combination are used in lips loop, no. Barrier, no. Oral, yes. This is also fine, but we should choose both the words. Both the given method should be the correct. So injectable and barrier, no. So A will be the correct answer. Oral contraceptives and injectables. Alright. Next, identify the following figure. This is simply implant. This is an implant. Okay. Now, which can be used as emergency contraceptives? Emergency contraceptives, coitus interrupts and periodic abstinence cannot be used as a emergency contraceptive. Condom cannot be used. IUDs can be used. So this will be the correct answer. C. It is an NCERT line that IUDs can be used as a contraceptive method. Emergency contraceptive. Okay, tubectomy prevents pregnancy by. What is tubectomy? Tubectomy prevents pregnancy by preventing ovulation. Tubectomy, no. Tubectomy will not prevent ovulation. They will prevent the meeting. Preventing fertilization, this is correct. So they will prevent. For example, if it is vasectomy, then vas deferens will be separated. So the sperm will be produced, but it will not cross this area because this is tied. They made incision a little bit and they tied, so they cannot cross this. Similarly, tubectomy also, fallopian tube, they will be a small portion is removed and they tied, they separated and they are tied, so they will block the meeting of sperm and ovum. So this will be the correct answer. Which one has the poor reversibility? Poor reversibility, vasectomy has a poor reversibility. We can say irreversible. Sometimes it is irreversible due to the negligence of the doctor, but irreversible. It is irreversible. Which one? Tubectomy and vasectomy. Barrier method, anytime we can reverse implants anytime, and IUDs also anytime we want. But vasectomy, no, we cannot. So that is a poor reversibility. Which is not correct about vasectomy and tubectomy? Both are the methods of artificial reproductive technology. No, this is not ART. It's a contraceptive method, so this is incorrect. They help to block the gamete transport, correct. They both are effective, but reversibility is poor, correct. They are done in vas deferens and oviduct, correct. So this A will be the correct answer here. Both are the methods of ART. No, ART is like gift, zift. These are the methods of ARTs. Fine. Select the mismatching pair. Copper releasing IUD. They are the traditional methods, we can say. No. Okay, we'll go with that. Wait. We'll remove this. We'll see. Okay, coitus interrupts. Coitus interrupts is a kind of traditional method, we can say. MTP means what? Sterilization in male is medical termination pregnancy. It is not. Which matching pair here? Okay, we have to. It's not a match the following. We have to. Okay. Understood. Sorry. Copper releasing IOD. Yes, multinode 375 correct. Diaphragm is a barrier method. Yes, correct. MTP sterilization male. No, this is not sterilization male. Coitus interrupts traditional method. Yes, correct. So we have to choose which one is mismatch pair. Sorry. So C, that is this one is the correct answer here. MTPs are safe up to dash weeks of pregnancy. MTPs are safe up to which week? 2012. No, first trimester it is safe. So up to 3 weeks of pregnancy. No. How many weeks of pregnancy? MTP is safe up to how many weeks? 4 into 3, 12. 12 weeks of pregnancy. Okay, that is the first trimester. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to pregnancy. So this is first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester. 3 month means is equal to 3 into 4 weeks is equal to 12. Amniocentesis can be used by used to determine the sex of the baby. It can be, but we do for understanding the metabolic disorders, study congenital disorders. So all the above will be the correct answer. Can be used. It can be used for sex also. For sex determination also. You should not do it. But yes, we can do it. Which one of the following groups include all STDs? AIDS, syphilis, cholera. No, cholera is not STD. HIV, malaria is not STD. Gonorrhea, hepatitis B, chlamydiasis. Okay. Hepatitis B, hemophilia is not. So this will be the correct answer. Gonorrhea, hepatitis B, and chlamydiasis. Okay, chlamydia. This is chlamydia infection. This is hepatitis viral infection, and this is gonorrhea again. STD. So yeah. Select the viral STDs. Here in this we have to check the viral one. Syphilis, bacteria, Treponema pallidum. Then gonorrhea viral, hepatitis B viral, gonorrhea viral, AIDS viral, genital herpes, it's a herpes disease, herpes simplex virus. Okay, so this will be the correct answer, but we'll check the other options as well. AIDS virus, hepatitis B virus, genital herpes. Achha, gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhea is not a virus, it's a bacteria. So this will not be the answer, no? This is wrong. Okay, so this is wrong, yes. AIDS correct, hepatitis B correct, genital herpes correct. So this will be the answer, not B, sorry. Okay. Alright. Which of them are not completely curable? We cannot cure HIV. We cannot cure hepatitis also. So, okay, this you can go through. You can just check it your NCRT. It is given there. So it's a very simple question. We should not waste time here. Next, which is common to hepatitis B and HIV? This is also NCRT simple question. No need to worry about this. Which of the following method cannot prevent venereal disease? Okay. Test tube baby means a baby born in CRT line. Embryo transfer, here. This is important. Embryo transfer can be done after in vitro fertilization of artificial insemination, in vitro fertilization, in vivo fertilization, or ICSI. Embryo transfer can be done after in vitro fertilization or artificial insemination. No, artificial insemination cannot be. In vitro fertilization, in vivo fertilization or ICSI. In vivo cannot. Embryo transfer means that is different. ICSI or artificial, no. In vitro fertilization, no, wait. It's a bit confusing. What is given in the options? Embryo transfer. So embryo transfer means first we will develop in the lab, that is in vitro fertilization. After that, we will transfer it. So in vitro fertilization, here in the both options, that should be the correct answer. Artificial insemination, it's not possible. That's some clarity issue here with this option. But in vitro fertilization, in vivo fertilization or ICSI, this is correct actually. ICSI means intracytoplasmic sperm injection we can do, and we can directly transfer it into the, we can develop 8 cell stage and we can directly transfer. In vivo fertilization means in the body itself fertilization they are doing, then how we can transfer embryo? That's a bit question. Okay, fine, I'll check it out why they have given this question. Anyways, next is a single sperm from male partner is injected directly into an egg from female partner is known as. So a single sperm from male partner is injected directly into an egg, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So this will be the correct answer here. Next, two types of embryo transfer methods are embryo transfer method, ZIFT and GIFT, we can say ZIFT and GIFT, or intrauterine transfer and intrauterine insemination is wrong. Intrauterine insemination is wrong. ZIFT and GIFT should be the correct answer, or intrauterine transfer and ZIFT can also be the correct answer here. Anyways, we can check once this also. What is the full form of ZIFT? You will write it here. ZIFT means zygote intra fallopian tube transfer. Zygote intra fallopian tube transfer. So the two type of embryo transfer methods are here. What is GIFT? Gamete intra fallopian tube transfer. So gamete intrafallopian tube transfer means we are transferring the gamete in the fallopian tube, so that is not embryo transfer. So embryo transfer can be ZIFT, zygote. Zygote means what? Zygote means we are transferring the zygote itself. Zygote means up to 8 cell stage or embryo we can say. So this will be the correct answer. Yes, C should be the correct answer. Okay, C should be the correct answer. All right. Next, but we'll check. Two types of embryo transfer methods are ZIFT and GIFT, IUT and IUI, ZIFT and IUT, GIFT and IUI. We'll see. This will be the correct answer. Yeah, ZIFT and GIFT. But according to NCRT, in NCRT it is given, just now I checked in the NCRT what is given, the option here, and the option which is given here is ZIFT and GIFT. Like statement they have given. Why they have given this statement? Because gamete, they consider gamete in even the 8 cell stage they consider as a gamete here. Gamete intrafallopian tube transfer. So ZIFT and GIFT will be the correct answer according to NCRT. Okay? According to NCRT, ZIFT and GIFT will be the correct answer. So two type of embryo transfer methods are ZIFT and GIFT. Chalo. Odd man out, odd one, actually it is odd one out. And here IUT, intrauterine transfer, IUD, this is something which is like mistake is there in the option. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, and IUI, intrauterine insemination. So ICSI, in vitro method, intrauterine insemination in vivo, intrauterine transfer in vitro, IUD. So option is error, option is not right, so we cannot get the correct answer here. Anyways, next question, this is not important. Which of the following method can prevent? Okay, not important. AI technique is not used. AI means not artificial intelligence. Okay, here is artificial insemination technique is not useful for the female partner unable to ovulate. Yes, the surrogacy purposes, the male partner having a very simple question, you can just go through. Okay, we'll go with this one. IVF. IVF means in vitro fertilization. GIFT, AI, artificial insemination means introducing semen into the vagina. Okay, this is artificial insemination. So C is 5. If C is 5, this will be the correct answer. Embryo transfer, 8 cell embryo into oviduct. We can do that. Test tube baby program means IVF, in vitro fertilization. A2, so A2 correct. B3 gift is ovum into oviduct. Gamete. Okay. Right. So B is the correct answer here. Alright, B is the correct answer. So that's all about the reproductive health, and now we will go with biotechnology. Okay, we will go with what? Biotechnology principles and process. So in biotechnology principles and process, whatever the mistakes you have done, that's what I'm going to discuss here. So we have one app that is Teachment app, and in that Teachment app, we have we have so many questions are there. So that in that questions, some students made very few questions mistake, and that questions I'm going to discuss right now. All right. So just a minute, let me open the report so that you can see your mistakes. So you made a mistake in question number 3. So people made mistake in question number 3. And what is that question? The plants, bacteria, fungi and animals whose genes are altered by manipulation are called GMO, transgenic organism, pest resistant organisms, both A and B. They are not called transgenic organisms. Transgenic organisms, they can be called as transgenic organism. Yes, they can be called as transgenic organisms as well. Yes, they can be called as. So genetically modified organism is also correct, and transgenic organism is also correct. So both A and B will be the correct answer. Why? Because here it is given animal. When we manipulate the animal, for example, if we manipulate cow, if we manipulate the gene of a rat, if we manipulate mouse, if we manipulate monkey, if we manipulate what? Rabbit. If we manipulate their gene, they comes under transgenic animals, right? And we are doing alteration of genes. And plants also, if we modify, they are all genetically modified organism only. These are all genetically modified organisms, right? Animals also, if we manipulate, they are genetically modified organism. So they comes under both genetically modified organisms and transgenic organisms. So both A and B will be the correct answer. Next, question number 8. What is question number 8? Which of the following genes do not occur naturally in living organisms? Which of the following genes do not occur naturally in living organisms? The correct answer will be endogenous cytoplasmic defense genes. Okay, BT genes, they are naturally present. Naturally present after like BT genes, Bacillus thuringiensis genes. One second. Which of the following genes do not occur naturally in living organism? BT genes, they are present in bacteria, naturally they occur. Cry genes, they have, that is the BT genes. What we have, Bacillus thuringiensis genes, that is the cry genes. So they are present. But endogenous cytoplasmic defense genes, yes, they are not present. They are not present naturally in living organisms. Alright, so this will be the correct answer. RNA interference genes, they are present. RNA interference genes, they are present naturally, it takes place in our body. It is NCRT line that RNA interference genes, this RNA interference process actually takes place naturally in the human body. It's a defense mechanism. Okay. So we can use that in tobacco also, but it is a natural method, naturally occurring in your body. So RNA interference genes will not be the correct answer here. Okay. Next. Next question which you made mistake here, unattempted question, is question number 9. A dicotyledonous plant forms crown gall when the crown gall. So dicotyledonous crown gall. So it's a kind of we can say some structural formation which takes place. What is the correct answer? A correct answer is a specific part of DNA from the Ti plasmid gets integrated with the plant chromosome. So what happens? A specific part of DNA, that is your Ti plasmid, is tumor inducing plasmid. Okay, tumor inducing plasmid. The tumor inducing plasmid, some DNA from the tumor inducing plasmid, they will go and attach with the plant chromosome. So they will keep on continuously, they will produce what? Number of cells. They will produce, they will keep on producing the cells. Okay. So they will form a small structure which is like apart from the normal plant. They will form a small extra structures, that is called crown gall structure, because of the accumulation of the different cells. So Ti plasmid is tumor inducing plasmid. From that plasmid, small DNA they will attach with the plant chromosome and they will cause this crown gall formation. Okay, crown gall formation. So what is crown gall formation in the dicotyledonous plant? What is that? That is a question we need to understand. And the crown gall formation is nothing but it's like small bundle like appearance. Okay, it's a disease. It's a disease, we can say. It's a disease. Crown gall is a disease that forms on dicotyledonous plant when the bacterial pathogen, what is that pathogen? Agrobacterium tumefaciens infects the plant. So then in that case we can have so what happens? That is the crown gall formation. It will be like small bunch it will start forming on the plants. Okay, small knot or bunch like structure they will start forming. Okay, that is your crown gall formation. I will show you, like I will upload this pictures in the teachment app. You can go and visit that picture so that you can understand better. Okay, I cannot show you now because we don't have that much time, but still in teachment app I'll do that for sure. Okay, fine. So go and visit teachment app. 24th question. So next question will be your 24th question which you made mistake, and that will be an improved variety of transgenic basmati rice does not require chemical fertilizers and growth hormones. Okay, they required actually, but they gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A. Yes. So what will be the correct answer? An improved variety of transgenic basmati rice does not require chemical fertilizers and growth hormones, gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A, is completely resistant to all insect pest and disease of paddy, injecting the functional ADA complementary DNA into the lymphocytes of the patient. So this one will not be the answer. This one will not be the answer. So the improved variety will be like they will have genetically engineered method, so that is genetically, so they will be, this one is the correct answer. Yeah, okay, this will be the correct answer. They give more yield, that is the improved variety of transgenic basmati rice. They give more yield, so B is the correct answer. Is completely resistant to all insect, pest and disease of paddy? No, they're not that much resistant to all, but they have quality improvement. Okay, the quality will be improved, that's all. They will not be resistant to pest or any disease, we can say. Okay. Chalo. So the next question which you made mistake is 24, we are done. 25, 26th question you made mistake here. Which of the following can be used as a bio weapon? Oh my god, this is a very good question. And okay, this is the question you made mistake. One second. Okay, question number 24 we are done. So question number 24 you asked question, and the next question which you made mistake here in question number 26. 26, yes. So which one of the following can be used as a bioweapon? Bacillus anthracis is the correct answer here. Bacillus anthracis, they can be used as a bioweapon. Bioweapon means what? For it's like what, spreading diseases. Okay, so that we can use it, Bacillus anthracis. Now the figure, okay, 28th question you left. 28th question, what is the correct answer for 28th question? Which of the following has incorrect description? Non-transformants means no plasmid. This is, oh no, this is not correct. I don't say that. Non-transformant means yes, they do not have plasmid, which means if it is a transformant, which means this, if this is a bacteria, okay, if this is a bacteria, then our plasmid they will carry. So if they carry, then it is called transformant. If they do not carry, they are not transformant. So non-transformant means no plasmid, that they are not resistant to either tetracycline or ampicillin. This is correct. Transformants with non-recombinant plasmid, they are resistant only to tetracycline, which is correct. They have that is transformants means non-recombinant plasmid. No, this is not correct actually. Transformant means with a recombinant plasmid. This is correct. So this is not correct. That is, B is not at all correct. So B is incorrect. So because B is incorrect, this will be our correct answer. See, transformant means what? They have recombinant plasmid. Okay, non-transformant means no plasmid. Transformant means they have recombinant plasmid. Okay, but both B and A and B is also, like, we can say incorrect. No, this is not a correct answer. This is also not correct answer. Okay, so I think there is an error in the question paper. So this both A and B. So there is error in the question paper. Okay, or we can say answer key which is given here, they have error. So please understand that. Okay, now select the wrong statement. Insertion inactivation is a technique in which a recombinant DNA is inserted within the coding sequence. What is insertion inactivation? We have already discussed in the previous video, I guess, no? Anyways, insertion inactivation is a technique in which a recombinant DNA is inserted within the coding sequence of an enzyme, beta-galactosidase, to inactivate the enzyme. That is correct, because if it is white color, then okay. If it is not, if color giving, non-color giving, that is the differentiation what we use in insertion inactivation. So this is correct statement. Okay, the presence of chromogenic substrate gives blue color, correct, and in the absence, when we do interference, it will not give, it will give white color. Retrovirus in animals can transform normal cells into cancerous cells. Yes, correct, of course. Retrovirus can do, they can induce more and more production of cells. This is also correct. Okay, retrovirus means what? Retroviruses are the viruses which can enter into the DNA of the host and they can continue the production of replication. Okay, so they can transform a normal cell into cancerous. If they join the DNA, they will keep on producing. They keep on producing until unless we break that DNA strand and we separate and we isolate. So until then, they keep on producing multiple cells. So that becomes tumor, that becomes cancerous cells. So this is also correct. In microinjection, cells are bombarded in the high velocity. No, that is gene gun method. It is not microinjection. So this is wrong. So this will be the correct answer here. Okay, then what else 38th question you made, 38th question you have problem. Which one of the following statements is wrong with respect to separation of DNA fragments on gel electrophoresis? Which one of the following statements is wrong with respect to separation of DNA fragments on gel electrophoresis. Gel electrophoresis is employed to check the progression of a restriction enzyme digestion. Wrong, respect to separation of DNA fragments. So, yes, it is correct. Gel electrophoresis is employed to check the progression of a restriction enzyme digestion, how it is digesting, what are the fragments we have produced. So that is correct. The DNA fragments move towards cathode under electric field through the matrix. Cathode anode, just you keep thinking about that. But DNA is a negatively charged molecule, and a negatively charged molecule will move towards positive side. Negatively charged molecule will move towards positive sides. So here it is a negative and it opposite side is a positive. So negatively charged molecule will move towards what? Positive side. So here it is not correct. So this is wrong. Gel electrophoresis is employed to check progression of a restriction enzyme digestion is correct only. Okay. How much digestion is over and what more digestion we have to do, then all these things we can check. Okay. This whether this restriction endonuclease can produce our piece of DNA or not, that also can be checked using gel electrophoresis, right? So yes, next that's it, I guess. All right, so remaining questions we have already discussed in the first week discussion itself, so please go through that. If not, if you have any issue, if you still have any issue, then please contact me immediately, inform me, and I will prepare one more video specifically for you people and those questions which you made mistake. Chalo, so that's all for today. I think we are done. Yes, we are done. So yes, so now we are going to finish this session, but please join our Teachment app classes and take the test series, join the crash course. Crash course, please do not join that crash course because we are already in the halfway. So join the test series and all the question papers, it is still available and it will be active up to your NEET exam, that is May 4th or May 3rd. So you can give test anytime. Okay? So please join the test series, and if you like this video, give like, share this video and subscribe if you are new to this channel. And we are doing so many things, we are working on it, and we are planning to have detailed lecture classes also in the upcoming sessions. Upcoming session means in the next academic year. So if you have any juniors, if you have any brothers, you can share this information, and you can recommend this channel and recommend Learning Life. You will have physics and chemistry discussions and the physics and chemistry classes also in the next academic year. So we'll be having teachers who will be teaching physics and chemistry with us. Okay, so please make use of it, and take care of your health, and please keep studying, and see you in the next session. Until then, please take care of yourself, and yes, please join the Telegram channel where all the information will be updated. Okay, information regarding your test series, information regarding your syllabus of the week, and everything is I'm posting it on a regular basis, and so keep eye on it and get benefited. Take care. Thank you so much for joining. Have fun.